What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to another episode of Saturdays with Spy, where I review what you probably didn't see during the week, guys. So let's take a quick look at the daily. This is where we start every Saturday, guys. And I want to show you that the ranges, like I talked about last week, decreased. They got lower and lower as we got to last week. It was a $10 range. But this week, guys, check this out. The range did get bigger, guys, by almost $4.50. Now, remember, we only had 4 days of trading, guys, because we had a holiday. So let's see what happens next week. So one of the things that stands out, guys, is look at this resistance line, okay? SPY cannot get past it. We had 2 days right in here, guys, where they hit this area around 691, and they couldn't get past it. Now, typically, when I see that, guys, and they stay there, that is a consolidation. And if I was a Fibonacci guy, which I am, I would tell you that SPY is on its way to 701, but they have to make sure they stay above 687, guys. So 701, 702 could be our next stop. And then when I look at my dominator system, guys, we have a buy signal here at the bottom. So life is looking good for SPY. Okay, guys, if you watch my videos, you know that we were up here, guys, and I look at everything on the 20-minute cycle, guys. Look at this, okay? So we did fall from previous Friday, guys. We had the holiday. We came down around 681, came up and rejected. And if you count from here to there, you're looking at a fib rejection, which is normal. And of course, they had a full reversal, guys, and we went down. Now, if you look at this cloud, guys, and you get this indicator, you're going to get these call signals and these put signals, guys. So this is when we go long. This is when we go short. And if you do option contract, this makes sense to you, okay? Now, if you're trying to learn more about trading, guys, I'm going to leave you a link below. I've got courses that are on sale. Check them out and learn this stuff, and you're going to make some really nice differences in your finances, guys. Okay, so now the thing that stands out for me, guys, every time I watch SPY is this blue line here, guys. This is the 50-day moving average. And if we fall below it, guys, usually they slam down, and that's exactly what they did here. And then when they go above it, you can see that they really get strong and they go and go. And of course, this was our area of resistance. So let's take a quick look, guys, at the opportunities we had this week. Now, this was a big fall, and I don't expect anybody to have gotten into that fall from Friday unless you've been trading for a while. But you can see here clearly we had resistance. Every candle equals 20 minutes, guys. So this went on for a good part of the day, for maybe an hour, hour and 20 minutes. But one thing that I always teach in the bull ring, guys, okay, this was a fall of about almost $8, guys, before they flip. But what I do teach in the bull ring, guys, is this. If you follow this line right here, guys, okay, as long as the candles stay under this line, you're going to be okay if you entered the trade. In my courses, guys, I go over resistance right in here, and you follow this trade down and let this line guide you, guys, okay? Then you're good to go. You would have made some really nice money there. Now, let's take a look at the second trade we had, guys. And of course, I called this out in the bull ring, guys, because 2 reasons. Okay, we are not going to stay down after an $8 drop, guys, and the candles just stayed down there. Okay, we went up another $8, and let me explain something to you here, guys. Okay, because this entry we made it the night before with my guidance, and I'm going to show you something. If you look at the bottom here, guys, on the dominator assistant, you have these buy signals, and the buy signals didn't go away, guys. So I know from experience that we're going to go up. Check this out. So you had a buy signal here, guys, and then the stock went up. We had another buy signal here. And of course, guys, the stock went up again from this buy signal. Check it out. We went up $10, guys. So we had 1, 2 amazing entries that I called out. And the people that took this trade, guys, were super happy, because you know what this means. If you have these type of trades, guys, happening, it's going to be a nice month. Now, what we have in between these two trades, guys, is we did have another downfall for SPY, guys. It was $6. So let's just call it out, guys. You had almost 8 here, 8 there, 6 and 10, guys. You are looking at a $32 move, okay, within the week of SPY. Now, the next day, guys, okay, now this is what you need to do if you're going to be a great trader, guys, is you need to understand, okay, when the market has consolidated and has found a support area, guys, and that's what we have here. We had resistance here, and then we had support here, guys. Okay, now we are at the top of the dominator, guys, and this is where I always suggest everybody sell. If you jumped in here, guys, and you haven't sold and you're holding on, sell it here. Now, if you're an experienced trader, you're going to look at 3 things, guys. You're going to see that we are above the cloud, we are above the blue line, and my candle is still green. So this is a risky trade. If you're going to hold it overnight, guys, and you're going to wait for this pop, this takes a lot of experience. So make sure that you understand, if you're not taking courses, if you're not being coached, guys, this is not a trade that I tell anybody to take, guys. Now, I will tell you, if you're an experienced trader and you have reward money, absolutely, you know what you're doing, you take that trade. Now, if you were with me in the bull ring, guys, I will tell you, do not take this trade. I don't want you practicing risky trades. Look at this. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. Now, you wait for your signals, guys. And of course, you have another downfall here. And of course, another call here, guys. And these are smaller than these, guys. But this paid for a lot of bills, guys. And this right here, well, this is just a nice little cash, guys, for you to have a nice dinner on the weekend. And of course, the rest of the day here on Friday, they kept consolidating. But again, what I said earlier, we are now in a box, guys. Okay. And this is consolidation, like I said before, guys. So at some point, my expectation is that they keep going up, because we have a lot of bullish sign. Now, if they come back down, guys, that's fine. That is normal. If you study Fibonacci, you will see what I see, guys, and this is what's going to happen. If we go from the bottom all the way to the top, okay, they will come back to this green area, guys. Look at this, 683. So on Monday, if they come down to 683, 682 and bounce, that's going to be super normal, guys. I don't expect them to do that, but if they do, I expect them to bounce from there. Now, if you hung out this long in this video, guys, please give me a like if you think that I've added value. And as a token of my appreciation, I am going to give you a trade that I know will be coming up pretty soon, guys. I'm going to leave you a link below so that you can join me in the Discord for free. And I'm going to show you what Hood is about to do. Look at this box, guys. Just like in SPY, I do my 20-minute box on my favorite stocks, and look, they had resistance all week, and then boom, they popped out. That is a bullish sign, guys, and you need to understand that the dominator assistant is about to produce another buy signal. Look at these buy signals, guys. Every time we get it, the indicator tells you to go buy a call option or buy a put option, and here we go. Now, if I am going to trade something, I want to make good money on it, guys, and I want it to swing big. Okay, so now let's take a look at the 6-hour chart on Hood, guys, and look at what you see here, guys. We have a money line that I drew, guys. They get past this, okay, that's money, guys. And look what's right on the money line, guys. It's this blue line that we call the 50-day EMA. And down at the bottom with Hood on the 6-hour, guys, this is beautiful. Look at every time we have these buy signals, guys, Hood pops up, guys, and it's just going to be a nice money party. So if you want to join me in the money party, guys, you're going to come into the Discord for free, and I'm going to post up the chart and go on live so that you can enter the trade with me, guys, if you wish to. Okay. Don't forget, we have an amazing money line going on right here, guys. And again, want to remind you, if this video added value to you guys, I appreciate you subscribing and hitting that like button. See you on the next video.